Tejasvi Surya is not here, unfortunately. I can't see him in the house. But I would like to tell him and put it on record, because I have this document which I can table. He said in his opening speech that Jawaharlal Nehru ji, Pandit ji, the first Prime Minister of India, never encouraged the defense forces. And we've never done anything. This is the first time India has done extraordinarily well in armed forces. He has not only insulted thousands and lakhs of Indian force and armies and their families who have stood so that you and I can be safe. I object to the statement that he has made. And I would like to read out what he said in his speech was, oh, Indo-Pak war, what the first war was a failure. That उसके लिए फेलियर होगा. ये जो इतिहास हमें पढ़ाने बोल रहे थे ना, खुद पढ़ो ये सर. नहीं होगा तो ये बता देती हूँ मैं. Indo-Pak war, the first time we won. Operation Polo 1948, Hyderabad into Indian Union, September 1948, is a success of the Indian Army. Operation Vijay 1961, Goa, Diu, Daman, military operation led to the liberation of the Portuguese enclaves, completing India's territorial integration, December 1961. Indo-Pakistan War 1965 successfully defended Indian borders, preventing Pakistan from achieving its strategic objectives. August-September 1965. Bangladesh liberation and Indo-Pakistan War 1971. A decisive victory of Indian Army along Mukti Bahini, liberated in Bangladesh in 13 days, leading to surrender 90,000 Pakistani troops, March 1991. This Tejasvi Surya इतिहास खुद पढ़ा नहीं होता तो ले लो. This is one thing. We may have political differences, like Sunil Tadkare ji said. He's absolutely right about this. That जब देश का सवाल आता है तो देश पहला, उसके बाद राज्य, उसके बाद पार्टी, उसके बाद फैमिली. पहले देश आता है.